Happy New Year, everyone! It's your girl, Flag Girl Nina, and welcome back to my channel. To ring in the new year, I have a cocktail and a mocktail recipe to share with you all. So without further ado, let's get started. Our mocktail this evening is called the Pom Apple Bomb. For both of our recipes today, we're going to be using champagne flutes. Our first ingredient for the Pom Apple Bomb is going to be 3 ounces of pomegranate juice. Next, we're going to use 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. The last ingredient that you're going to need is a sparkling, non-alcoholic cider. Today, I'm using Martinelli's just because it reminds me of New Year's Eve. For garnish, we're going to be using a mint sprig. All right, let's have a taste. Cheers! That's good. Yes. So because pomegranate juice tends to taste a little bit bitter sometimes on its own, adding the apple cider adds the perfect amount of sweetness, and the lemon juice also just brings a brightness factor to this mocktail as well. Also, something to note, because there's no ice in this mocktail, you're gonna have to really chill the apple cider, pomegranate juice, and the lemon juice to make sure that it's nice and cold for you. But also, if you want to add like a couple ice cubes in there, I don't think it'll dilute the mocktail too much. Oh, that's good. Our cocktail this evening is called a French 23. It's basically a cross between a French 75 and a bee's knees with a little bit of a twist. For this cocktail, we're going to be grabbing our shaking tin. Our first ingredient for this cocktail is going to be 1 ounce of brandy. Splash. I love the smell of brandy. Next, we're going to use a 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. Now we're going to use a 1/2 ounce of honey syrup. Now we're going to use 1 dash of lavender bitters. Now we're just going to fill this with ice and shake. Ay. Okay, I think I sealed this a little too strong. Ay. These gloves are not helping either. Just give me a minute. Oh, there we go. Now we're just gonna strain our cocktail into our glass. To finish off this cocktail, we're going to top it off with a sparkling wine of your choice. Oh, I was too excited. So if you make this cocktail at home, don't do what I just did and overfill it the first time. The bubbles will go down, and then you can just fill it up a little bit more after. That should be good. Now we're just going to use a lemon wheel for garnish. All right, let's taste our French 23. Mmm. Oh, that is so elegant. Mmm. Oh, yes. If you're trying to be bougie this New Year's Eve, definitely make this. There's a complexity in flavors, but it's also very light to drink as well. Definitely don't do more than a dash of the lavender bitters, because if you do more than that, it's just gonna overpower it. But in this cocktail, the lavender bitters is just a subtle hint, and I feel like it really gives those floral notes to the cocktail. Okay, not gonna lie, it's kind of hard to drink with the lemon wheel. So if you want to do like a lemon twist or anything, you could also do that as well. This tastes like a celebration for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching my New Year's Eve special. I hope you guys try out my recipes today to help you ring in and celebrate the new year. If you like my content so far, I hope that you stick around and decide to subscribe. I have a ton of videos lined up for the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.